Hi students, good morning. Yesterday, this problem we are not finished. Now I am going to discussing this problem again. So this is improper because numerator degree, denominator degree is same. Okay, if it is improper, make it proper by using division method. So x square plus 4x plus 3. X square is divided by this 5x square. Multiply by 5, x square into 5, 5x square plus 5 into 4, 20x plus 5 into 3, 50 minus, get that. So minus 20x minus 50. Okay, so 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to q of x. This is q of x, this is r of x. Tell me q of x is 5 plus r of x minus 20x minus 50 divided by this x square plus 4x plus 3. This is proper. The numerator degree is 1, the denominator degree is 2. It's a proper. Now this is which is equal to 5 plus minus 20x minus 15 by factorization x plus 1 into x plus 3. This is proper, we can find by using partial fractions. Tell me 5 plus, what is the partial fraction of this? A by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 3. Okay? Not this much only. Okay, to get a, shortcut I said, to get a, when it became a 0 here, minus 1. Put minus 1 in this spot. So minus 1, minus 20, minus 1 is plus 20, minus 15 by minus 1 plus, except this factor. So minus 1 plus 3, 2 equal to 15, 25 by 2 is. Next b, when it became a 0, put x equal to minus 3. Yes, except this factor, put x equal to minus 3, minus 20 minus 3, 60, minus 50 by minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. This is not, except this. 60 minus 15 means 45 by minus 2. This is. Substitute in this 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 5 plus a. A is 5 by 2 x plus 1 plus b minus 45 by 2 x plus 3. Now let's find integration. Integration 1 to 2 5x square by x square plus 4x plus 3 dx equal to integration of 1 to 2 5 plus 5 by 2 x plus 1 minus 45 by 2 x plus 3 whole dx. Splitting integration of 1 to 2 5 dx plus 5 by 2 constant, integration of 1 to 2 1 by x plus 1 dx minus 45 by 2 integration of 1 to 2 1 by x plus 3 dx. What is the 5 integration? 5x. Limits 1 to 2. 5 by 2 1 by x plus 1 integration log of x plus 1 limits 1 to 2 minus 45 by 2 this is log of x plus 3 limits 1 to 2. Apply upper limit here 5 into 10 minus lower limit put x is equal to 1 5 10 minus 5 plus 5 by 2 upper limit log of put x is equal to 2 plus 1 3 log 3 minus lower limit put x equal to 1 log 2 minus 45 by 2 log of upper limit 2 plus 3 5 minus lower limit is 1 plus 3 is 4. 10 minus 5 5 plus 5 by 2 log of 3 by 2 minus 45 by 2 log of m minus log of n equal log of m by n 5 by 4. question number 17. Integration 0 to pi by 4 2 secant square x plus x cube plus 2 dx. This we can find direct. Tell me 2 into secant square x integration tan x plus x cube integration x power 4 by 4 plus 2 integration 2x. Limits upper limit and lower limit. Put x is equal to pi by 4. Upper limit first 2 tan of pi by 4 plus pi by 4 whole power 4 by 4 plus 2 into pi by 4. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. Put x is equal to 0. Tan 0 is 0. X power 0 is 0. 0. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So 2 plus pi power 4 by 4 power 4. 4 power 4 into 4. How much? 4 power 4 means 4 power 5 plus let's get cancelled pi by 2. How much this is? 102 This is answer. X power 0 here. 0 power 4, not x power 4. Next, 18th question. Integration of 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. Minus take common first. 0 to pi cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Tell me cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 equal. Trigonometric formula. Cos x. Cos 2x formula. There are 4 formulas cos 2x. What is the first formula? Cos square x minus sin square x. Next 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. One more is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So first third formula cos 2x equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Therefore cos x equal to half angle. Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Here cos 2x equal to formula cos square x minus sin square x. What is the half angle formula? Cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. These formulas should be perfect in first year only. Okay, right. Now this is cos x. So minus integration of cos x sin x. Sin x 0 pi. Apply upper limit sin pi minus sin 0. So which is equal to sin pi is 0 and 0. The whole answer is 0. Next, question number 19. Integration of 0 to 2 6x plus 3 by x square plus 4 dx. This is proper or improper? Proper. Splitting. Integration 0 to 2 6x by x square plus 4 dx plus 0 to 2 3 constant 1 by x square plus 4 dx. This integration how can you find? 1 by x square plus a square form. What about this? What's the derivative of this? 2x. So can I write like this? 6x. Can I write like this? 3 into 0 to 2. 3 into 2x by x square plus 4dx. This differentiation is there in the numerator. F dash x by f of x integration is log of f of x, log of f of x, plus 3 into 0 to 2 1 by x square plus 2 square dx. 3, tell me this integration is log of x square plus 4, limits 0 to 2, plus 3. What is the formula? 1 by x square plus a square integration? 1 by a means 2, tan inverse of x by a, limits 0 to 2. 3 into, apply upper limit, log of 2 square, 4 plus 4, 8, minus log of 4, plus 3 by 2, tan inverse of, upper limit 2 by 2 is 1, minus tan inverse of 0. 3 into log of 8 by 4, log m minus log n equal log of m by n, plus 3 by 2, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse of 0 is 0. This get cancelled. So 3 log 2 plus 3 pi by 8. We can simplify this also. 3 comes here, 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to 8. Let it be 3 log 2 plus 3 pi by 8. Next, question number 28. Integration of 0 to 1 x e power x plus sin pi by 4x dx. This is u into v. Integration of 0 to 1 x e power x dx. Right, separate 0 to 1 sin of pi by 4 x dx. Tell me u into v product, which is first? Algebra x u, this is v. Eilert method. Algebra is first comes, trigonometry exponential is the last. Clear? Integration of u into v formula f of x means x, integration of g of x e power x dx minus whole integration, derivative of x is 1, e power x integration e power x whole dx, limits 0 to 1, plus sin pi by 4x integration, sin x integration minus cos pi by 4x by pi by 4x differentiation is pi by 4, that right in denominator, limits 0 to 1. So x e power x integration e power x minus e power x integration e power x, limits 0 to 1, minus plus minus 4 by pi into cos of pi by 4 x, 0 to 1. Apply upper limit, put x is equal to 1 into e power 1 minus e power 1. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit is 0 minus e power 0. Plus upper limit minus 4 by 5 cos of x is equal to 1 pi by 4 minus okay, this put x is equal to 0, already minus is there, plus 4 by pi cos of, put x equal to 0, cos 0. E get cancelled, 0 here, minus plus e power 0 is 1, minus plus minus 4 by 5 into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, plus 4 by pi cos 0 is 1, finish. 1 plus 4 by 5 take common, minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. 21 easy, you can find this is integration of 1 to root 3 dx by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square integration, 1 by 1 plus x square integration, tan inverse x. Apply limits, upper limit tan inverse of 3 minus tan inverse of 1, root 3, sorry. Tan inverse of root 3 is pi by 3, 60 degrees. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Pi by 3 minus pi by 4 equal to 60 minus 45, 15. 15 means 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Take LCM here. 12, 4 pi minus 3 pi equal to pi by 12, sorry. 15 degrees. Similarly, can you find 22? 22 integration of 0 to 2 by 3 dx by 4 plus 9x square. Which form it contain? X square plus a square. So 9 we should take common. Coefficient of x square make it as a 1. So 1 by 9, 0 to 2 by 3 dx. When you take the common 9, you will get here 4 by 9 plus x square. 4 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 3 whole square. So x square plus a square formula. 1 by a is 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by 2 by 3. Limits 0 to 2 by 3. So 1 by 9, it comes up 3 by 2 tan inverse of 3x by 2. 3x by 2. Limits 0 to 2 by 3. Apply upper limit. 1 by 9 to 3 by 2 tan inverse of, when you apply x is equal to 2 by 3, get cancelled 1. And lower limit minus 3 by 2 tan inverse of 0. So 1 by 9 into 3 by 2 tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. This value is 0. Get cancelled. So the answer is pi by 6 into 4, 24. Pi by 24. Next, definite integral by using substitution. We have done indefinite problem by using substitution method. Now definite integral by using substitution method. See, one problem, integration of 1 to 2 2x by x square plus 4 dx. This is just now we have done. What is the differentiation of this? 2x. So f dash x by f of x is log of. So log of x square plus 4 limits 1 to 2. We'll get log of, put x is equal to 2 square, 4 plus 4 8 minus log of 1 plus 4 5, which is equal log of 8 by 5. This is I have done by using indefinite concept, integral concept. Now I am doing by using substitution method, another method. Integration of 1 to 2 2x by x square plus 4 dx. Let x square plus 4 equal to t. When you change the variable, these are what limits? X limits. Then limits also will be changed. When we substitute this is in terms of the function became in terms of t, then limits also will be changed. With respect of dx became with respect of dt. So these also you have to change. That is, be careful here. In indefinite we have not done because there is no limits. So here limits are there. So limits are there means limits also will be changed. You have to change limits also. The way of changing, first you find dx. X square differentiation is 2x. dx by dt, and t differentiation is 1. 2x dx equal to dt. This is equal to 2x dx equal to dt by this is t. Now these are x limits. Now we want t limits. How can we find? Upper limit. Now I am going to find what is the upper limit here? 2. That is x or t? X. Upper limit x is equal to 2. Okay. Now we want in terms of t. So upper limit x is equal to 2. Right? What is the t here? Here t. T want. T is equal to formula x square plus 4. what is the upper limit? X is equal to here 2. So 2 substitute here. 2 square plus 4, which is equal to 8. Therefore t upper limit is 8. If x is equal to 2, then what is the t is equal to 8. If x is equal to 2, then t is equal to 8. That is upper limit. Now coming to lower limit. UL means upper limit, LL means lower limit. Lower limit, if x is equal to 1, here x is equal to 1, then let find the t is equal to 1 plus 4 equal to 5. These are t limits, these are x limits. Okay, so when you use the substitution method, okay, you should change the limits. Most of the students, by tension in exam, they will neglect these upper and lower limit. Okay, so be careful by doing the definite integral concept. While using the substitution method, definite you should change the limits in terms of t, otherwise wrong answer will be it. Okay, now 1 by t integration is log t. These are what limits? T is equal to 5 and t is equal to 8 with respect of dt. That's why these are t limits. If you take these limits, that are x limits, there is no x here. The way of substitution is not possible. Understood? So upper limit log 8 minus lower limit log 5. What is the answer? Is log of 8 by 5. So this is called substitution method. Definite integral by using substitution. So by using substitution method and definite integral, change the limits also. Change the limits also. This is the extra than previous what you are discussing in indefinite. Okay, extra this is. Up to this we know. Okay, after that there it was not no limits, but here limits are there. That's why we change the limits, upper limit and lower limit. Okay. So let's practice some problems by using substitution method. That is exercise 7.10. Exercise 7.10. Evaluate integral by using substitution method. First question is integration of 0 to 1 x by x square plus 1 dx. X square plus 1 dx. Let x square plus 1 equal to t. X square plus 1 equal to t, because this differentiation is there. After differentiation here, x square differentiation is 2x. With respect of t, dx by dt. One derivative is 0, t derivative is 1. X dx equal to dt by 2. Right? Upper limit. Tell me t is equal to here. What is x is equal to here? X is equal to 1. Upper limit. X is equal to, if x is equal to 1, tell me t is equal to 1 plus 1. Lower limit. X is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0 plus 1. So integration of 0 to 1 x by x square plus 1 dx equal to x dx is equal to dt by 2. X square plus 1 equal to t, and lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. 1 to 2. So 1 by 2 integration of 1 to 2 dt by t. 1 by 2 integration of 1 by t is log t. Lower limit is 1 to 1 by 2, upper limit log 2 minus lower limit log 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 log 2. Log 1 is g. 1 by 2. Next, the second question is integration of 0 to pi by 2 root of sin pi cos power pi d pi. What are the with respect of pi? These are what limits? Pi limits, not x limit. X pi is equal to 0, pi is equal to 0. Which derivative is there here? Sine derivative is there here. So let sine pi equal to t. So sine pi differentiation is cos pi. Pi differentiation with respect of t, d pi by dt equal to 1. So cos pi d pi equal to dt. Integration. This can I write like this: 0 to pi by 2 root of sin pi. Can I write like this: cos power 4 pi into cos pi d pi. Cos pi d pi is equal to dt. So this is also you have to convert in terms of sine. So 0 to pi by 2. This is 0 to pi by 2 root of sin pi. This is, can I write like this: 1 minus sin square pi whole square. Cos square pi whole square. So cos square pi is equal to 1 minus sin square pi whole square into cos pi d pi. Right? Change the limits. When pi is equal to 0, pi is equal to 0, then t is equal to sin 0 is 0. So lower limit is 0. Lower limit is 6. Next, upper limit. When pi is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to sin pi by 2, which is equal to 1. Substitute that. Integration of limits. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Root of sin pi is t, and 1 minus sin pi is t square whole square. Cos pi d pi equal to dt. Like this, we have to change each and every function in terms of t. If it is not possible to change in terms of t, the substitution way of the substitution does not exist. Okay. Now integration here. Integration of 0 to 1 root t. This is a minus b whole square. Tell me, a square 1 plus b square t power 4 minus 2ab 2t square dt. Multiply here. 0 to 1 root 2 into 1 root t plus t power 4 t power 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2 9 by 2. Understood? Minus 2 t power 1 by 2 here t square 2 plus 1 by 2 5 by 2 t power 5 by 2. Understood? Now integration of root t power 1 by x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 t power root integration t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus t power 9 by 2 plus 1 11 by 2 by 11 by 2 minus 2 t power 5 by 2 t power 5 by 2 plus 1 7 by 2 by 7 by 2. Limits 0 to 1. Okay. Upper limit, put t is equal to 1 here. 1 by 3 by 2, it comes up 2 by 3 plus it comes up 2 by 11 plus 2 by, this is 7 by 2. 7 by 2, it comes up 4 by 7 minus 4 by 7. Lower limit is 0 will get, because t is equal to this all become a 0. This is simplified, we get the answer. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 4 by 7. Take LCM and do it. Next, third question, integration. Okay, you try homework is homework. The question of example 28 and 29. Example 28 and 29. And question number third, integration of 0 to 1 sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus